We're going to go and move your property to a debt service coverage ratio loan because you don't have to have a job. I'm going to connect you with my lender who can make the deal happen. Okay. I'm going to connect you with my lender who can make the deal happen. And then we're going to take that money and we're going to go pay off all of that debt. And here's why. Because now we've paid off expensive money with cheap money. The money from the property is going to come in at, let's just say, worst case scenario, 9% interest. And based upon how much she was going to borrow versus how much the potential rent would be, it would have enough to service that consumer debt, and she would still make some money every single month. And then from there, because now her debt is paid off, her utilization is went from 80% to 0%. We're now back at ground zero. And so now we can go and get some business credit. And then now we're going to also learn how to invest in real estate the right way through REI 90. And then because we're going to help you get more credit, we're going to take that credit and go buy real estate. So now you've paid off your consumer debt. You're $70,000 in the clear. You have a property with a mortgage on it. The tenant is paying the mortgage. Excuse me, the tenant is paying the rent, which is going to cover the mortgage, which paid off the credit card debt. You got your credit back to the 700 plus. We're going to take that credit and go and get some capital. And then that capital is going to fund you getting to your next level. But you're going to go get a job while you're going through this process. I don't care if you drive for Uber. See, I wasn't trying to sell you on getting rich quick. I wasn't trying to sell you on how to stay off your job. I wasn't trying to sell you on credit being income. I wasn't trying to sell you on a play. Yes, this strategy may take longer, but what's your other alternative? I'll wait. She was damn near in tears. So it's not that courses are scams. It's that most of you, and when I say you, I'm not talking about anybody on these lives. I'm saying you just as a whole to people. Most of you don't do your due diligence on who you buying from.